In this video, I'd like to show you how to use a print screen software to be able to print just the answers if you don't want a lot of the screen to print the way it might print on your computer. So to do this, you just need a free print screen software. In this case, I've gone out to the internet and I use this Gadwin Systems. They have a print screen software and they have a free version. You'll see here this is at gadwin.com/download, and you can download it from here, and you can use a lot of different ones. There's a lot out there, but I'm going to go through installing this software and how to use it to capture just a part of the screen and only print that part of the screen. So I've gone ahead and I've downloaded that software already, and so I'm going to bring that up and install it now. I just double click on it and just selecting English. I'm just choosing all the default options to install, next. It just takes a second, and it says it's going to run it when I click on finish. I'm going to take that show me thing off. Once this starts, you'll need to configure a couple of things. If you go down to and you go into your all programs, you should see this is under Windows 7, so if not, it'll just be your start menu, and then you go into your programs and you'll see the actual Gadwin Systems here, Gadwin Systems, and you'll see that the print screen, you can click on here, or we can go down into our taskbar in the bottom right hand corner and double click on the little icon. It has a computer screen with a camera in front of it. You double click on that and it'll bring up the settings. So what I'm going to do is it's automatically going to start when the computer starts, and it activates when we hit the print screen, which is on your keyboard in the top right hand corner. A lot of times it's abbreviated as PRT SCR, but you'll have a print screen key that when you hit it, it'll activate the program. And the source, I'm going to take a rectangular area because I don't want to print the whole screen, just a spot that I select on the screen. And the destination, I'm going to choose that I want it to capture the area to print, and I got to select a printer. I'm selecting my Lexmark printer, and so you want to make sure that it's, you can choose whether it just copies it to the clipboard, if it captures the area into a printer, or if you want to save a copy of it to your computer, you can also check this box. In this case, I'm just going to have it print whatever I select. So I hit OK. Now I've got up day 13 of sequential spelling, and if I were to just hit the print your answers button, it would print the whole screen, and that would include this part over here. So what I want to do is just print my list here. To do that, I'm going to hit the print screen button, and it gives you this so that you can kind of see where you're going to capture, and you can select this area, the whole area here, and just print that. In this case, if my words are this big and I really want to save ink, I could just capture the little piece over here. But once I choose this part that I'm going to print, I just select it, and when I release the mouse button, I can hit the enter key, and then it'll bring up this little dialog that you can see exactly what it's going to print. If you don't like that, you can cancel the output. You can hit print screen again. In this case, I'm just going to select the words that I want to see here, and I can hit the enter key, and it's just going to print that piece there. And then if I say continue output, as I did here, my printer starts printing, and it just prints that little piece. I hope that'll help you to kind of get and save toner and ink as you want to print the lessons.